I made you wait. How are you guys? Lately I'm scared because I have a knee injury even though I don't remember falling.
Aging is finally the limit.
Today, I would like to introduce the cute girl plastic model kits, 30 Mega Siemens series LULUCE and TIASHA released by Bandai.
I've been waiting.
Foo, it's a lewd penguins. Let's start with TIASHA. This is all the parts. Not so many, so even beginners can easily assemble.
Let's cut the parts neatly with nippers.
It will be smooth if you start work after separating the parts for each part to be assembled in advance. It is completed.
It's a blonde shortcut and it's very cute. It's a petite body.
You can add parts and put it in battle mode.
The wings, swords and shields are cool.
You can combine various parts such as 30mm series weapons, so if you have the financial resources to collect a lot of types, you can enjoy it even more.
This is the limit because we are poor.
Next, let's introduce LULUCE. This is all the parts for LULUCE. Let's cut this out neatly using nippers and assemble it.
The brown skin is healthy and very attractive.
Since the joints are movable, you can decorate it in various poses. Let's change this to battle mode as well. The ears like a raccoon dog are very cute.
This is the moment you fall in love.
The shield can also be worn behind the head. The tail is also cute.
I can eat 3 cups of rice while watching this.
I agree. This girl has a lot of exposed skin and is thrilled. Oops, I was too excited. Let's compare it with other 30 Mega Siemens series.
Each body size is different, isn't it?
Well, every daughter is good. TIASHA may have a little too slender thighs.
I like fine thighs. Wow.
It's interesting that there are differences for each plastic model, not for reuse.
LULUCE's chest is the biggest.
I'd like to verify more, but I want you to check for yourself in the future.
So that's it for today.
Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon.